Namaste.
Welcome to my show Dil Ki Baat Anjali के साथ. And today we have here again for another wonderful episode. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते ही हैं, दिल की बात अंजलि के साथ ये आप सभी का शो है, जिसमें आप अपने दिल की बातों को लोगों के सामने रख सकते हैं. उनका नाम है वनीता जैकलीन. वनीता, very warm welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for inviting me to your show.
You're most welcome.
I'm Vanessa Jacqueline, and I'm from Singapore.
Great.
I'm a transgender, and I have been voicing out my issues about how to live as a transgender and also how to help the LGBT community. At the same time, I'm also the National Secretary for AICPW Singapore, and we are helping to empower women in Singapore, and we have created an awesome event at which about 30 audiences came to watch our show.
Great.
At the moment, I am creating 53 transgender empowerment videos to empower the transgender community in Singapore. So stay tuned for those videos. It will take some time for me to create and upload it, but I'm doing my best to help the LGBT community in Singapore.
Excellent, Vanessa. Excellent. That's really so nice of you, and you are no doubt a great human resource for women empowerment. So the topic for today is transgender inequality. जैसे कि अभी वनीसा ने आप सभी को बताया कि वनीसा इज अ ट्रांसजेंडर. भगवान ने तो इस दुनिया में हम सभी को इक्वल ही बनाया है, लेकिन जब हम धरती पर आए हैं तो सोसाइटी ने हमें इतने सारे पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया है, इतनी डिफरेंशिएशन कर दी है, इतनी डिस्टिंक्शंस कर दी हैं कि कभी कभी हमें एक इंसान को इंसान समझने में भी, एक्सेप्टेंस लाने में भी बहुत समय लग जाता है, या कभी कभी वो चीजें इम्पॉसिबल हो जाती हैं. तो उन्हीं इश्यूज को लेकर आज हमने अपना ये एपिसोड तैयार किया है. आई एम श्योर ये हमारा एपिसोड आप सभी लोगों की लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ चेंज लेकर आएगा, कुछ ना कुछ बेटरमेंट लेकर आएगा, और हमें बताएगा कि इंसानियत सबसे बड़ी चीज है. जेंडर, all kinds of gender, they are just names. We have distinguished people, we have differentiated people on the basis of caste, religion, gender, etc. बट भगवान ने इस दुनिया पर जिसको भी भेजा है वो इस दुनिया की एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन मिसाल है, और उन्हीं मिसाल में से एक है हमारे सामने आज वनीसा. So Vanessa, once again welcome to my show, and I just want to know about your journey, how your journey started, कैसे आप इतने मुकाम पर पहुंची, और how did you achieve such a great platform, because I know you are Miss and Mrs. Singapolitan as well. So how did you achieve so many achievements, because I can understand it's not easy for you. First of all, acceptance from the society, acceptance especially from the side of your parents, your family, these are very difficult areas for you. तो किस तरीके से आपने मैनेज किया, how did you manage all these things in your life, and what inculcated you, what motivated you to go to such a brilliant platform and to empower women on other side? Yes, Vanessa.
I knew that I was a transgender at the age of 5. Because when I went out with my parents, I always like to go to the women's boutique and admire the beautiful dresses. And as time went by, I secretly dressed up at home. Of course, my parents found out about it and they were against it. However, I still continued doing so. And after a while, I tried going out dressed as a lady. However, at that time, I faced a lot of discrimination and abuse. So because of this, I became a nervous wreck and I suffered from anxiety. And I had lived with this problem for some time. And actually, I'm still overcoming this problem because it will take some time for me to really overcome my depression and my anxiety problems. But what I have been doing is practicing meditation and also recently found a method in being gratitude in life, in actually showing gratitude in life. So that I did not expect to achieve a lot of things in life, but sometimes when we cross paths with certain people, there is a meaning to it. And very fortunately, I crossed paths with this lady, as you all know, as Vanita Devi. She introduced me to the Singapore Peloton pageant and asked me to help out in organizing it. Now, in the process of organizing this pageant, I created my confidence. I met friends who gave me the ability to become confident and also the ability to develop a positive mind. So with this new form of energy that I had, I decided to create motivational writings. At the moment, I've written 30 motivational writings, which are posted on Facebook. But now I'm going to also create videos for it. And also, I'm developing myself to be a motivational speaker because I want to let people know about what I've written. So as my confidence and my positive mind has been developing and also increasing in strength, I have now moved on to educating society about the LGBT community. Because it is time that the society know about us. If society do not know about us, they wouldn't know how to react towards us. Now, I realize that we need to educate society about the LGBT community when I went to India. AICPW hosted the India version of the Singaporean Worldwide in Meerut. And that is where I spoke to the audience about myself. And they actually warmed up to me. That was the catalyst for me to go about educating people what transgenderism is all about and what the LGBT community is. However, I would want to add that the word LGBT community also has a problem because it is labeling us into certain categories. And I want this labeling to be removed, but that will be another story altogether. So I am creating achievements in my life as I go on because I want to improve my life despite my obstacles that I face. It'll be a very tough journey. I know my journey is very tough. I'm on a road that has a lot of bumps, but I prefer to travel a road with bumps because it gives me the experience and strength of how to live my life.
Great, Vanessa. That's really hats off to you, which you have shared. I mean, the journey was not very easy, and still it is a continuous process. तो मैं अपने दर्शकों को यही बताना चाहूंगी कि कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है एक इंसान के लिए एक्सेप्ट करना कि वो इंसान है। जैसे कि मैंने शुरुआत में ही बताया कि भगवान ने हम सभी को, भगवान, ईश्वर, अल्लाह, हम उन्हें जो भी नाम दे सकते हैं, उन्होंने हमें इस धरती पर इंसान के रूप में भेजा। लेकिन यहाँ पर आकर हम लोगों ने सोसाइटी को इतने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है कि एक इंसान को इंसान समझना, उसको एक्सेप्ट करना हमारे लिए उतना ही टफ हो जाता है। ऐसा ही कुछ केस होता है ट्रांसजेंडर्स के साथ, बिकॉज उनको अपना एक पहचान बनाना, अपनी एक आवाज देना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है। पूरी सोसाइटी के सामने एक टैग लगा दिया जाता है कि दैट दिस पर्सन इज ट्रांसजेंडर एंड दिस पर्सन कैन नॉट डू दिस 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 दिस। These are the areas only for the people who are physically fit or they are born with physical fitness. ट्रांसजेंडर में ऐसी कोई कमी मुझे नहीं नजर आती है जिसकी वजह से हमें उनको अवॉइड करना चाहिए, सोसाइटी से अलग रखना चाहिए। दिस इज ओनली आवर माइंडसेट व्हिच वी नीड टू चेंज। वी नीड टू एजुकेट द सोसाइटी एंड वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट द पर्सन एज द पर्सन इज। So with this motto, I want to share one more story which is from Indian mythology. हम सभी ने महाभारत ग्रंथ के बारे में सुना ही होगा, जिसके अंदर देवव्रत यानी कि जो बाद में जिनको हमने भीष्म पितामह का नाम दिया उनकी प्रतिज्ञा के कारण, उनसे रिलेटेड ही ये स्टोरी है जिसमें उन्होंने 3 राजकुमारियों को जब वो लेकर आए, जब उनके फादर एक्सपायर हुए और उनका कोई उत्तराधिकारी नहीं था उनके राज्य के लिए, तो उन्होंने 3 राजकुमारियों का अपहरण किया था जिनका नाम था अंबा, अंबिका एंड अंबालिका। इनमें से एक राजकुमारी जिनका नाम अंबा था, उन्होंने सुसाइड कमिट किया था इस अपहरण की वजह से, और उन्होंने देवव्रत को ये श्राप दिया था कि तुम्हारे मृत्यु का कारण अगले जन्म में मैं ही बनूंगी और मैं ट्रांसजेंडर की फॉर्म में शिखंडी बनकर आऊंगी और मैं ही तुम्हारे वध का कारण बनूंगी। और एक्चुअली में ऐसा हुआ भी। जब महाभारत के युद्ध के दौरान कौरव और पांडवों की लड़ाई हुई तो शिखंडी अर्जुन के साथ उस समय खड़ी हुई थी। उस समय पर शिखंडी और अर्जुन दोनों ने इकट्ठे मिलकर वार किया था भीष्म पितामह पर, जिसकी वजह से भीष्म पितामह जो है उनकी मृत्यु हुई। तो शिखंडी जो एक ट्रांसजेंडर थी, उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल है हमारे महाभारत में भी। तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ट्रांसजेंडर का, ये हमारे देश में या हमारी सोसाइटी में या मैं ये कहूँ कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये कुछ नया नहीं है, ये बहुत पुराना है। जस्ट हमें उन चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए। वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट द पर्सन एज अ पर्सन इन आवर लाइफ। So Vanessa, first of all, I'm heartily congratulating you. You have done tremendous job. और इसके अलावा आपने जो सोसाइटी के लिए किया, जो एक रोल मॉडल आप बन रही हैं, That is really great and it is really motivational for other people as well. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारा जो ये शो है, ये शो आपके थ्रू जितने भी हमारी पूरे वर्ल्ड में ट्रांसजेंडर्स हैं उनको एक नई दिशा देगा. It will give new direction to all the transgenders and it will motivate all around the globe. So once again, a big salute to you.
Thank you.
Welcome. So my next question, Vanessa, that is, what are your future plans? What you want to do for the society? How would you like to uplift that transgenders can also become part of the society and they can be important, they can play important role all around the globe?
Well, my plan is to create an all-inclusive society to show that the LGBT community can live with the rest of the society because we are no different. The only difference is that we choose to live our life differently. We are all humans. We all can do anything that we want to do in life. That means you and I, we can do the same things in life. There is no difference. You can be a lawyer, I can be a lawyer. We shouldn't be discriminated just because of who we are. There must be equal justice. Whether you are a transgender or come from the LGBT community, we all must be able to find jobs like anybody else. We must be able to obtain education like anybody else. We must live with everyone in harmony and also create love in society. We must go about and start hugging people. You know, I wish that a transgender will be able just to come up to somebody and just hug that person on the streets and say that we are one.
Very
That is one of my greatest wish in life.
very true.
And you know, once that happens, everybody can live happily. And I see that happening in certain countries, especially in the western part of the world, and also in India. I am very proud of how the Indian government has helped the LGBT community there. I've seen that they are given a lot of rights to live the way they want to live. And that should always be the way. I want that to happen in Singapore, but it will take some time because we are still a pretty conservative country. But I'm not giving up hope that one day things will change here in Singapore, where the 377A law, which discriminates us because it doesn't now allow the same sex to copulate. I hope that law will be removed so that the LGBT community can live together and also get married. Because right now, people with the same sex is not able to be married in Singapore. But in other countries, it has already happened. And I want to see that thing happening in Singapore in the future. So I will still continue in helping the LGBT community to live their lives as happily as they can with my affirmations and also with my empowerment postings.
Wonderful. Excellent, Vanessa. So, this is what I wanted to say through this show to everyone. He, God has given us a very blissful life. We as human beings, we are sufficient enough that we can give everything to the nature, to the society. But to show our empowerment, to show our excessive power, I would say, we have divided the society. हमने समाज को इतने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है कि इंसान को ढूंढना ही मुश्किल हो गया है. यहाँ तो बात ट्रांसजेंडर की हो रही है, लेकिन इंसानों के बीच में भी, स्पेशली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट विमेन, हमने विमेन को भी कैटेगराइज कर लिया, मैन को भी कैटेगराइज कर लिया. दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन बिलोंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर कास्ट. In fact, this woman is single mother, divorcee, widow, and she doesn't have right to live a normal life. तो जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है वो सिर्फ एक लेवल पर ही नहीं है, लेवल बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं. दे आर इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे, and our society is not able to accept them as normal human beings. This change we need to bring in the society. We need to educate people that these are absolutely normal. Now I'm coming back to transgender. Transgender is also normal. क्या फर्क है हम में और ट्रांसजेंडर्स में? I think according to me there is only one difference. That is the part of reproduction system. Nothing else apart from it. They also have two eyes like us, one nose like us. They are not aliens, not different from us. कि हम उनको इतना डिस्क्रिमिनेट करें, उनको इतना अवॉइड करें सोसाइटी से कि they should feel offended, or else they will feel कि why they have taken birth on this earth. इस तरीके की सोच हमें बदलनी होगी समाज में. We need to change the thought process of society by educating people that yes, these are also part of our society. They are important part, they are important asset of our life. We need to accept them, we need to give them education, we need to give them ample of opportunities to explore their life. They also have right to live. They also have right to live, and we need to be focused on this particular motto. और मेरी ये गवर्नमेंट से भी गुजारिश है, not only to Indian government, to all the governments, to all the authorities around the globe, around the world, please pay attention to this part as well and give them ample of opportunities so that they should not feel that their life is a curse. Birth can never be a curse for anyone. We put a tag, we put a mark upon a person. This person is this or that. We should avoid all these things. Behavior, moral, character, values, these are main important assets for our society, not gender, caste, sex, etc. We should avoid it. So thank you, Vanessa, once again. Vanessa, at the end, my last question to you. What message you want to give to the society, not only to transgenders, but to the whole society? What message you want to give to everyone?
Well, I want the whole world to love each other. That is my main message.
Excellent.
I do not want the society to harm the LGBT community, because very sadly, some transgenders who are living in certain parts of the world, they are badly harmed. They are even murdered. They suffer from domestic violence. And they are very trapped and unable to find ways to help themselves, all because of the laws of the countries in a way that it shows how to government the transgenders. So this is the major discrimination that some genders face around the world, and I don't want this to happen. I just want the world to love us, to come to a point that we are all accepted. It's a very long journey, I know, but I will never give up hope in trying to educate the world to love us. So please love the LGBT community, especially the transgenders.
Great. Vanisha, first of all, hugs and love from my side.
Thank you.
I'm giving you lots of hugs and love from my side, and I expect from
Thank you so
others
much.
as well. You're welcome. And I'm sure one day it will happen, and not one day, very soon it will happen. Things are changing, world is changing, society is changing, and I'm sure in this area also society will very soon change. They will accept you, they will accept everyone, especially the transgenders. I'm sure transgender inequality will remove as soon as possible. We are trying hard to remove it, and with your efforts, since you are one of the celebrity and you are also role model for them, मेरा मानना है कि बहुत ही जल्दी हम इस प्रॉब्लम से भी बाहर आ जाएंगे. We will accept the person as the way he or she is, and I'm sure we will bring lots of change in the society, because at the end love matters, not caste, creed or sex. Love is the most important blessing of God, which at times we forget. हम अपने ही दिनचर्या में इतने परेशान हो जाते हैं, अपनी ही प्रॉब्लम्स में इतने घिर जाते हैं कि हम बाकी लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स की तरफ देख ही नहीं पाते हैं. स्पेशली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, हमारे यहाँ ट्रांसजेंडर्स को सिर्फ कुछ ही ओकेजन्स पर बुलाया जाता है. अक्सर लोग डरते हैं, पीपल आर अफ्रेड फ्रॉम ट्रांसजेंडर्स. आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाई. लेकिन एक माइंडसेट बन गया है कि हाँ, they are made for only few things. They are just made for dance and celebrate some rituals. Accept it. Our society don't accept them, which is absolutely wrong. They're also human being like us, and we should accept them. We should include them in every area of life. That's my best wishes for all the people, and I'm sure very soon these wishes will be fulfilled. So, Vanessa, thank you so much for coming to our show and giving your precious time. And I wish that very soon these things, these problems, these obstacles from the society will be removed. Indian government is doing a lot for transgenders, and I'm sure other countries' government is also doing the same for transgender inequality. And I'm sure very soon we will remove it. Will not name that this person is this, that, blah, blah. We don't want to go for it. We just want to go for only one thing, that is love and blessings. So my love and blessings for you. All the best for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So friends, this was दिल की बात अंजलि के साथ, जिसमें आप सभी अपने दिल की बात को शेयर करते हैं. And we are giving platform to everyone. This platform is not only to celebrities, this is for everyone, a normal person. एक साधारण इंसान के लिए भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर आप आ सकते हैं, अपनी बातों को शेयर कर सकते हैं. तो देखते रहिए every Sunday between 8 to 8:30 PM on social media. दिल की बात again अंजलि के साथ. And thank you so much for watching my show. Thank you for your appreciation. Thank you, Vanessa, once again for coming and to give your precious time. Have a great day ahead and may God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you.